Plant those ginger rhizomes like they're secret treasures, about 2 inches deep. Give them a good soak, like a spa day, and find them a cozy spot with filtered light. They love their sunlight with a touch of mystery. As your ginger superhero grows, add more soil to give them a comfy blanket. Don't forget to feed them a gourmet meal with a balanced, all-purpose liquid fertilizer. It's like a fancy restaurant for your greens. Now, once your ginger plant thinks it's fully grown, be prepared for some pot drama. That pot, well, it's gonna have an identity crisis and might look a bit misshapen. It's just the ginger's way of asserting dominance. When your ginger is around 8 to 10 months old, it's time for the grand harvest. Gently loosen the soil around those rhizomes. Give them a spa day again by rinsing off any soil, and make sure you're as gentle as a spa masseuse. Trim off any leaves and long roots, and show your ginger some tough love by getting rid of any damaged bits. Finally, remember, dry those rhizomes like they're getting ready for a ginger beach vacation. No mold or rot allowed. With a sprinkle of care and a dash of attention, you can easily become a ginger whisperer in your cozy little pot. Bon appetit and happy gardening!